The beauty of this bracket is its ultimate simplicity and so few steps to install you won't even need a drill. Spanning brackets may be configured to bridge cabinets or to support opposing overhangs. Check it out. So let's review a few important safety guidelines. Safety goggles are a thing. Wear them like you own stock in the greater good of mankind. And if you're kicking up dust, wear one of these, some earplugs, and keep your skid on with gloves. Helps you grip your tools better too. Now let's gear up. Installation is as straightforward as making toast. You'll need a tape measure and pencil, a pocket rule, an oscillating multi-tool, a rasp or file, silicone adhesive, and a cup of joe. And to demonstrate how straightforward installation is, we chose Keith, who has no prior experience installing them.
Seriously?
What now?
This bozo doesn't know how to install brackets?
It's a cinch to install.
No, this is the part where you say, "What was I thinking? Let's get someone else."
This is the part where you say goodbye.
Well, I'm only trying to help.
How could you possibly help?
Are you kidding? I'm a magical drink that can turn your "I'll kill you with my bare hands" attitude to "good morning, sweetie."
Point taken. Now go.
Boy, sip the fun out of every cup. Good morning, sweetie.
Now that we're geared up, let's begin the installation. Measure 3 inches in from the edges of the cabinet and mark the mounting locations for each bracket 2.5 inches wide. Use a pocket rule for an easy way to mark a depth of 1/2 inch. Use an oscillating multi-tool to cut the opening for the mounting channel where the bracket will rest. If necessary, file the opening to level the mounting channel. Place the brackets into the mounting channel, making sure the brackets are flush with the top edge of the cabinet. Now, run a bead of high-quality silicone adhesive down the center of each bracket. Carefully place the top, and congratulations on a job well done.
Break open the bubbly, or better yet, pour yourself a tall cup of joe.
For opposing overhangs, follow the same procedures to install the spanning bracket. Check out our other installation videos or download written instructions at countertopbracket.com. And remember, don't underestimate your own will. It always finds a way.
See my pot from here.